Good morning. New day. Brand new day. Happy Tuesday. The sun has officially not got a bloody hat on today. The skies are not blue and I cannot see a bird for love nor money. But it's a beautiful brand new day. It's beautiful because we're here. We're alive. We made it. We can look outside today at the clouds and the dullness and the rain and think, fuck's sake, it's going to be a shit day. Well, no, it isn't. So bring your own fucking sunshine. It's going to be a bloody good day. I'm starting today and I thought this will cheer me up. We've got a New York 2009 Christmas Starbucks mug. Rare as rocking horse shit. And I've got a double Napoli in there to start the day. It's raining cats and dogs, as they say, and it literally is. But I'm just thinking, you know what? I'm just going to get a Brolly. I'm going to watch the veg grow, see the grass get greener, and make the best of it. Because today's a brand new day. A day we've never seen before. So go out there today and have the best day. Do something for you. Do something that makes you smile, makes you feel good, makes you feel better about yourself, lifts you up, lights that inner soul on fire. Stop getting pissed off about little shit we can't control. I can't go out there and say, hey, son, get your fucking hat on. I can't. It's going to rain today. It's going to be dull, but who gives a shit? We're alive. We're here. The grass is going to get greener. The veg is going to grow, and it's a beautiful day to be alive. So go and have the best day, whatever you're doing. Don't focus on the shit. Focus on the good in your life, because what you focus on will grow. So focus on all that good, positive, happy energy today and have the best day, and I'll see you later. Cheers.